down, like just a little bit, not too much tension. You grab your tail and your yarn. You see that? Okay. Now, what we're going to do from there is we're going to take the long piece that comes off of the skein. We're going to put it in between our fingers. Just a little bit of tension. Take your index finger and your thumb. Hold on to the knot right there. We're going to go under. Grab the yarn, turn the crochet hook, and bring it through. We made our first chain. We're going to do it again. Under, turn to catch the yarn, bring it through. Under, turn to catch the yarn and bring it through. Under, turn to catch the yarn and bring it through. Now we've just made a few chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to do a base of 10 stitches on here. So what we want to do is we want to add an extra stitch or chain. That makes 11. It's going to be our turning chain. We're going to go into the second chain. We're going to stick the needle right through. I leave 2 loops on top. Some people leave 1. That's okay. I prefer 2. I think it gives a better base chain. Now again, I'm going to go under, turn, bring it up through what I just did, push it back onto the needle, go under again, and I'm going to pull it through both of these loops. 1 and 2. There. We made our first single crochet. Let's do it. Into the stitch. Then we're going to loop over, pull it through. Loop over again. Pull it through again. Now we have 2. Let's keep going until we're done. No looping over. Single crochet. Go into your loop. Grab your yarn. Come out. And pull it through. Go into your yarn, your stitch. Pull it over. Come through. Again, there's our chain base. We want to go under the second one right here. Put it right through there. Go under or bring your yarn around, however you feel more comfortable. Pull it up through. Go under again and come through. I'll finish this off. The base chain is one of the hardest things to kind of get going. Once you get a little base underneath you, the stitches go in much quicker and easier. And over. Go through. Bring it up and over. I'm getting down there. I think I got like 2 more stitches to do. Push it in there. Bring it over and through. 1 more stitch here. So we're at the end. What we're going to do now is we're going to do 1 chain and 2 chains. And then we're going to turn our work over. Now if you're looking at this, this is the back. This is the front. We have the top of the stitches here, and we're going to go into the first stitch. Right here. And there's the next one, and the next one, and the next one. So we want to go in that first one right there. And we're going to do a double crochet this time. We're going to loop over, holding the stitch that we want. We're going to go in, loop over just like a single crochet, bring it through. This time we're going to do it twice. We're going to loop over, take it through one loop and two loops. Now we have two loops left, and we're going to do it again right through those. There, now we have a double crochet. So again, bring the yarn over, put it through the two loops so that it picks up the stitch, the top of the stitch. Loop over, pull it through. Now we have three loops. Loop over again, pull it through two, loop over again, pull it through two more. Two through, two through. Loop over again through the stitch, up through, around your needle, two through, two through. Over, into the top of the stitch, and I grab the yarn, turn it, bring it through two stitches, and two stitches more. Now I'll finish this off to the end. I'm running out of yarn, so I'm going to pull it back out. My tension is right there. Through. When you get down to the very end, you have a little stitch right there from the turning chain. We're going to have to get in there. Go around, find your way through there. The needle really helps to go through. So say I've got the two pieces right there. Then go around again, pull it up through, and back through two and two. We'll do one more row. So chain one and two. It's going to be your first stitch right there. We're going to turn our work, and we're going to go into the first double crochet right here. Loop over, go in, loop over, go in, loop over, go into the top right here. I take both of these, come through, go through the top, come through. Go through the top, whoops, looped over, go through the top, come through. Don't hold your yarn too tight. You'll get used to it. Some people like to take it and go like this. I think it gives me too much tension. I like to just put my finger in there, kind of hold it a little bit, let it slide through. I use these two fingers to hold on to the work, and then I move the tension a little bit with my hand like this. So go over. Takes a little bit of getting used to, but you'll get it. Pull it through, come up, and do it again. Go over, through the top 2, bring it through, 2 stitches, and 2 through more. Around again, into the top of the stitch, pull your yarn through, pull it through 2 stitches, and 2 more. Now we're at the chain, which is right here, chain 2 that we did. We want to go in the very top of the chain. So you yarn over, push it through the 2, bring it back through. Go through 2, go through 2, and you've got it done. And there's our double crochets.